Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to stop YouTube asking to verify your age. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So as you can see, I opened a YouTube video here, and after that in this URL click on it, and from here you have to remove this question mark and watch from here. After V you will get this equal, you have to remove this also, and then you have to add an / and then hit enter. So this was the first method. Now let's see the second method. Click on this profile icon and scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you will find this restricted mode. Click on it. If your restricted mode is on, you have to turn off this from here. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.